AI is advancing rapidly, offering many incredible tools that are free to use. Imagine AI tools that can automatically optimize your daily schedule for more free time, generate music and soundtracks from a simple sentence like a soothing and adventurous atmosphere, and transform a basic photo into a high-quality 3D render within minutes. 7 AI tools you won't believe are free. The first one, Meshy. Head over to Meshy.ai and click Try Meshy for free to sign up. Explore the new Image to 3D feature on the left-hand menu, where you can upload an image, like a sneaker, and quickly generate a 3D render. For more fun, use the voxel feature to create Lego-like 3D cube models from any description. Once finished, you can download and customize these models in a 3D app like Blender. This AI tool is perfect for illustrators, architects, game designers, or anyone looking to create cool 3D renders without prior experience. The second one, Reclaim AI. Almost everyone wants more time in their day, but we all have just 24 hours. Reclaim.ai can help you make the most of your time by automatically cleaning up your calendar. Log in with your Google account, select relevant habits like grocery shopping and laundry, and set your preferred buffer times. Click on Planner or refresh your Google Calendar to see the optimized schedule. The best part? Reclaim AI continuously updates your calendar based on your meetings and habits, creating the most effective schedule for you. The third one, Notion AI. Notion, a productivity tool with built-in AI features, create custom dashboards with Notion AI. The Q&A tool acts as a personal assistant, providing instant answers. The magic wand icon generates table insights and summaries, saving hours. Meeting Insights summarize notes and create to-do lists with simple commands. Notion AI streamlines your workflow and saves time. The fourth one, MusicFX. Log in with your Google account to start generating music and soundtracks from text, like songs for a poolside party with summer vibes. You can even create music based on your mood by selecting specific instruments. For example, generate a soundtrack of trumpets playing a festive Christmas tune, and it's like December instantly. Adjust track length, enable looping, and increase the seed number for more variety. The fifth one, Flair AI. Flair AI, a game changer for product photography. Head to Flair.ai, click Get Started, sign in with your Google account, and create a new project. Upload an image, like a sneaker, remove the background with one click, and label the image. Choose a background template, like a floral setting, and click Generate. Your product will look professionally shot and edited. For extra creativity, use the Editor tab to customize variables to your liking. The sixth one, ImageFX. AI art is evolving, and ImageFX is one of the easiest and best free AI art tools available. Simply enter a prompt, like photorealistic drawing of Zelda Link, and click Generate. You'll quickly get a set of impressive images. You can save your favorite by clicking Download. The prompt box highlights keywords, making it easy to tweak variables, such as switching from photorealistic to cartoonish. This tool is perfect for creating avatars, article images, social media posts, or just brainstorming ideas. The last one, PicsArt Gif. Head to PicsArt.com/GIF-maker and type out a fun idea for an animated GIF, like a spaceship in warp speed traveling across the universe, then click Generate. Choose your style, such as concept art, futurism, or sci-fi, and let's go with cyberpunk. After selecting your preferred style, click Next to generate and animate your GIF. In seconds, it will create and animate impressive AI art, turning it into a short, animated GIF for you. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.